Hey everybody, I am walking up to my Elberta peach tree and I'm just looking it over and knowing that I'm going to have to harvest. So I just am seeing what the birds and squirrels have done. So it's harvest time and I'm basically harvesting by twisting the peach, and it should usually just come off easy. I have honestly neglected this peach tree in winter pruning. I should have really pruned, and then also when the fruit set, I should have really thinned the peaches so that they would be more spaced apart, but life caught up with me and I got busy. So there is an abundance more than I need. So I'll be sharing some peaches, and I'm sure the birds and the squirrels will continue to help themselves. And they smell so good. And it's just something nice to see, especially in the springtime, the pink blossoms on the tree. The flowers are so pretty, and you reap a wonderful harvest. So in the wintertime, I'm going to prune it well. There is a bird, evidence of a bird eating a peach. So you know they're good. So a lot of the fruit has also fallen to the ground. So some of the good ones I'll pick up, and the other ones I'll discard, or trust me, by the next day they'll be totally gone. I have rabbits that also come around and help themselves also. So that's a tree branch that was overburdened with peaches that snapped, and I'll harvest these peaches. I share with my neighbors, and I have to cut that one down. But it did do well, as far as the abundance and everything. This is an Elberta peach tree, if I didn't say that already. And most peach trees are self-pollinating, and that means that your mature tree will bear fruit without requiring another peach variety's pollen. So, some people say that if you do have another peach tree nearby, it will help, like a different variety, it would help improve the fruit set. I did have two peach trees, but one didn't survive. So this one's been doing well. And I honestly thought it wasn't going to really give me a good harvest this time, because I didn't fertilize, I didn't do the regular routine that I normally do, but I'm grateful. So with this abundance of my loaded peaches, they're gonna do me well with all the nourishing vitamins and minerals that they have, and also just the fun things that I'll be able to make with them. And let me know in the comments what you would do with all these peaches. A lot of people like peach cobbler, and I really don't. I prefer apple cobbler, but I still eat it, but I don't really prefer it. I like peaches fresh eating, or sometimes I'll make peach preserves, that type of thing. But let me know in the comments what you would be making with all of these peaches.